In this video, I'll show you how to fix the League of Legends system error crash dump. First, search for Task Manager and open it, then go to the Details tab. Click anywhere in the list and press L, making sure it's sorted by name, then look for League of Legends. If it's running, end the task. Press anywhere again and press R to jump to the Rs and look for any Riot Games or Riot Services processes. If you find any running, end those tasks too. Next, search for League of Legends, right-click it, and select Open File Location. This takes you to the right folder. Go back one level to the Riot Games folder, then into League of Legends, and find the Config and Logs folders. Delete both of these. Don't worry, they'll regenerate automatically the next time you open the game. They're just crash data and logs, so it's safe to remove them. After that, search for Firewall, open it, and go to Allow an app or feature through Windows Firewall, then change settings, then allow another app. Go back to that same League of Legends folder where you deleted the config and logs folders and find LeagueClient.exe. Copy its file path, then in the firewall window, click Browse, paste the path, press Enter, and click Add. You should see League of Legends added to the list. Then, from that same folder, go into the game subfolder where you'll find another executable. Copy its path the same way, click Browse, paste it, press Enter, and add it as well. Once both are added, make sure all checkboxes are ticked for both entries. All 3 boxes per entry should be checked. Finally, click OK, close the firewall window, and restart your computer. The issue should now be resolved. I really hope this helped. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. Thanks so much for watching.